So in this past week, while here in beautiful Costa Rica, I've made $13,553 from one of the exact remote side hustles that I'm about to teach you. And honestly, a few years ago, I didn't even know this world existed. And if you're sitting there thinking, okay, Wendy, is this really possible for somebody my age? Trust me, I wondered the exact same thing. But once I saw what was actually possible, I could not unsee it. So if you're even a tiny bit curious about how people our age are creating real income online from literally anywhere, stick with me, my friend, because it gets really interesting from here. Today, we're talking about the 6 best remote side hustles for people in their 50s and beyond in 2026. Because if you're anything like me, you've probably realized something. You worked hard your whole life, and now you're in your 50s, and if your retirement savings looked anything like mine did, you've had that moment of, we are still stupid short for retirement. Now, I remember literally sitting at my kitchen table a few years back thinking, Lord, what are we going to do? Now, this was the turning point for me. Now, fast forward to today, I've now earned well over 7 figures, all from my phone. And this is something that my 55-year-old brain could never even believe was possible. And the best part, like the income that I earn, I can do it from anywhere. My backyard, my fifth wheel, and even here at Costa Rica. The ability to earn remotely while actually living my life and making memories. And that's exactly what we're talking about today. But before we dive in, if you want to understand how all this income streams work together, my Freedom Formula Blueprint in the description below. It comes with a free class where I walk you through the full system. And you can make the best decision for yourself. Let's start with one of my favorite side hustles that literally changed everything for me once I figured it out, and that's YouTube. And it can become a real income stream. Now, once your channel hits 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch time hours, YouTube can start to pay you through AdSense. So just to give you an example from my channel, this is what YouTube paid me all of 2025. And that's just from AdSense alone. Now, just to make this super simple and for you to visualize it, I'm going to use one topic, such as gardening, as my example. And I'm going to show you 6 income streams with gardening. So you can literally see how each layer builds onto the next, because I'm surrounded by this Costa Rican beauty. I just thinking about gardening. So how your one little YouTube channel about gardening can turn into multiple income streams. So picture this. You start a simple gardening YouTube channel where you film videos like how to start seeds indoors, maybe a beginner herb garden, how to do a raised flower bed setup, or what to plant in early spring, how to revive a sad basil plant, or even budget-friendly garden hacks. You're just sharing what you already are doing, what you're already knowledgeable about. And here's the beautiful part. YouTube is the foundation of everything that I do online. The traffic from YouTube flows into the next income streams I'm going to share with you, including the one that brought me in over $72,000 last month. So lean in here because this is where it gets really good. And if you want help getting started, you can grab my YouTube Success Starter Kit. It walks you through the exact steps that I use to start my channel and all of my recommendations. And if we haven't met yet, my name is Wendy. I help fellow midlifers create flexible online income streams so that they can enjoy more freedom in this next season of life. All right, let's keep going. The next remote income stream that you can add is affiliate marketing. Now, this one is very easy to layer in because it fits naturally with what you're already sharing. Affiliate marketing is simply you recommend something that you actually use and somebody buys it through your link. They don't pay more money for it. You're just doing the advertising for that product and they pay you a bit of commission. So there's no inventory that you have to hold, no shipping, no customer service. And let's stick with that gardening thing, right? People will always ask you, if you're a gardener, like, what soil do you use? Where did you get your raised flower beds from? What pruning shears are those? What seeds should I buy as a beginner? Perfect affiliate opportunities. You can link gardening tools, raised flower bed kits, seed starting supplies, watering tools, trellises, and seeds, and the list goes on, right? Your YouTube channel builds your trust. Your affiliates create consistent commissions. Because when you're doing a video showing people how you're doing something, you're using a piece of equipment or something, and they want to know how and where you got that. So as your audience continues to grow, they start wanting deeper help, which leads into your next income stream. Now that is digital products. This is my favorite one because digital products give you something incredibly powerful. 100% profit. You create a digital product once and it sells over and over and over again. So affiliate marketing is great, but digital products take your income to a whole nother level. So let's stick with that gardening theme. You can create a beginner's gardening guide, how to create the perfect planting container, seed starting checklist, raised bed templates, container garden plans, or mini garden workshops. Your YouTube channel brings the traffic. Your affiliate links help beginners to get started with your tools and what you recommend, and your digital products give them a deeper solution. And once somebody buys one, they often want more of your help, which leads into memberships. Memberships is simply a paid community where people get ongoing support, accountability, and connection. So think of it like an online gardening club. Like you can offer monthly planting sessions, you can offer seasonal workshops, garden challenges, Q&A threads, be printable templates and photo sharing posts. You can have Ask the Expert Q&As, which is good for me because I am not a green thumb, but I absolutely love the beauty of gardens. And you can have fun with sharing photos. And this becomes a reoccurring monthly income. You have reoccurring bills. Why not create something that is a reoccurring income for yourself? Because people love community and guidance, but some people want even more personalized help, which brings us to consulting. So some people don't want to figure things out on their own. That would be me. They want someone to tell them exactly what to plant, where to plant it, what works where, and how to fix specific problems that they have. Here's a quick story. Now, I always say I do not have a green thumb, and I absolutely mean it. I have fake plants in my house for that reason. But one of my friends came over and saw my sad little garden outside and said, "All right, Wendy, I'm going to help you." I was like, yay. She took me to the store. We picked out the right soil. She helped me choose plants that I couldn't kill and showed me exactly where to put them and everything. And honestly, I would have happily paid her for that level of help. And the beautiful part is that you can offer this remotely. Clients can upload photos into your community. They can fill out questionnaires, and then you send back a personalized plan for them. This becomes your higher ticket income stream. It layers beautifully on top of everything else that we've talked about in this video. And now that leads me into the side hustle that changed everything for me, and that's e-learning with Master Resell Rights. Now, this program taught me everything about digital marketing, email automation, content creation, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, doing videos, and how to build a real online income stream step by step. But the part that really blew my mind is that it came with Master Resell Rights. I didn't even know what that was when I started, which meant I could resell the exact program that I was learning from and keep 100% of the profit. So I had my first digital product that I could make money from. Now, this became the foundation that helped me to retire myself in October and go on to earn multiple seven figures. All from my phone, from the backyard, camping, traveling here in Costa Rica. It works from anywhere. And this is the best starting point for beginners over 50 who want a flexible, future-proof income. You're not too old. You're not too late. Actually, you need a proving starting point. And that was mine. And if you want to learn how all of this works, then you're going to want to grab the Freedom Formula Blueprint and watch the free class where I show you the exact system that I followed and how all 6 of these income streams connect and how beginners can start and how I earn from my phone no matter where I am, even here in Costa Rica. So if you want to see exactly how I use this system to retire myself at 55 years of age and make over $650,000 in my very first year, you're going to want to watch this video right here, my friend. Click it now, and I will see you over there.